guys, welcome to Learn for Future channel. In this video, I am going to explain about profit and loss with some important terms, formulae and some examples. Profit and loss. Basically, by seeing this profit and loss, we can understand that, for example, if we sell one article or a product, we buy it for 150 rupees and we sold for 200. This is profit. When we sold at 100 rupees, that is loss. So this is the difference between a profit and loss. First topic, important terms. Basically, we want to learn this cost price. That means CP. A price at which article is purchased. Price at which an article is purchased. Next one, selling price. SP, a price which an article is sold. Price which an article is sold. Profit and gain. Before only I explain where 200 is profit and 100 is loss. That means the seller is said to be in profit if his selling price is greater than cost price. Cost price. Here if we observe, this is cost price and this is selling price. Next one, loss. Loss means cost price is 150 but we sold it for 100, so less. The seller is said to be in loss if his selling price is lesser than cost price. Next topic, formulae. These are very important, easy to learn. Where loss percent is equals to loss by CP into 100. How we can find loss? Here if we observe, this is loss, 100 is loss. 100 by what is cost price? 150 into 100. This is the way how to find the loss. And profit. Same, profit by cost price into 100. Here 200 by 150 into 100. Third formula, when shopkeeper earns profit. That means when shopkeeper earns profit means when cost price is equals to 100 by 100 plus gain means profit into SP. SP means selling price. What is gain? Here gain means selling price of an article. Selling price is equals to 100 by 100 plus gain percent into SP. Here gain means cost price of an article. Previous one gain means selling price. Now gain means cost price. Now when shopkeeper incurs loss, before when he earned profit, now incurs loss. Now cost price is equals to 100 by 100 plus minus percent into SP. Here loss means selling price, where selling price is equals to 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP, where cost price, where loss is cost price of an article. Sorry, before in selling price, this is reciprocal. That means 100 plus gain percent by 100 into CP, not SP. This is reciprocal. Fifth one, profit is equals to SP. Selling price is greater than cost price, where loss is equals to selling price is less than cost price. Now sixth one, now a shopkeeper sells two items A and B. If item is sold in gain of X percent and if B is sold with a loss of X percent, then shopkeeper always incurs a loss is given by, where we should use this formula when this given in this form. Loss is equals to common loss and gain by 10 square. That means X is the common loss or gain. That means only two products that may be profit or loss. So X by 10 whole square. This is the formula for loss. Now seventh one, cost price of X article is equal to selling price of Y article, then profit can be calculated. Here we can use one trick when they given in this form. Here read the question clearly. Cost price of X article is equal to selling price of Y article. Selling price of Y article. When they gave in this form, we should use this formula. Gain or profit is equals to number of X articles minus number of Y articles by number of Y articles into 100. So this is the formula when they gave in this form, where CP of X article is equals to SP of Y articles. Now eighth one, whenever you find in question discount, use this formula. Discount percent is equals to discount by marked price. That means fixed price, MP into 100. Now examples, a shopkeeper sells an article for rupees 200 with loss of 20% and find the CP of article. Now we want to find the CP, that means cost price. Now CP formula is CP is equals to 100 by, here loss, so we should use loss formula. 100 minus loss into SP, because 200 is SP, loss is 20%, so we want to find CP. So 100 by 100 minus 20% into 200. 100 by 80 into 200. If we calculate, we'll get 250. So this is the CP. Now second example, a trade expects a gain is 15% on his CP. Gain is 15% on CP. If in a week his sale is rupees 580, that means SP is 580. Then what is the profit? We want to find the profit. We have one formula for profit where selling price minus cost price. They gave directly in question selling price. We want to find cost price where CP is equals to formula. They already gave gain value also, 100 by 100 plus gain percent into SP. If we calculate 100 by 100 plus 15 into 580. If we calculate, we'll get 504.35. Now profit is equals to SP minus CP. SP value is 580 minus CP value is 504.35. If we calculate, we'll get 75.65, where profit is 75.65. Now third example, selling price of 10 candles is same as cost price of 12 candles. Now find the gain percent. Before I said selling price of X articles is equals to cost price of Y articles. Whenever they gave in this form, we should use this formula. Profit is equals to number of X articles minus number of Y articles by number of Y articles into 100. Here SP of 10 candles is same as, that means is equal to CP of 12 candles. That means profit is equals to number of X candles, means we should take this is as X and this as Y. So number of X candles articles means 10 minus 12 by number of Y candles is 10 into 100. If we calculate, we'll get minus 2 by 10 into 12 into 100. If we calculate, we'll get 100%. Now fourth example, a man purchases 2 flats for rupees 5 lakhs. One he got gain as 15% and other one as loss. How much does he gain and loss? 2 flats for 5 lakhs. One is gain and another one is loss. So whenever you found this, we should find, they directly gave gain value but they don't give loss. So loss is equals to common of gain and loss percent by 10 square. That means X by 10 square. Now to find loss, we want to substitute this x as gain, where gain is 15% by 15 by 10 square. If we calculate, we'll get 2.25%. Now fifth example, a man sells one camera A for rupees 7,500 and gain of 20%, and another camera B for rupees 8,550 at 5%. Find the total gain and loss. Now we should use this formula when shopkeeper, that means seller, man, shopkeeper means shopkeeper earns profit. For 7,500, 20% is profit because they gave gain is 20%. So cost price is equals to 100 by 100 plus gain percent into SP. Next formula, when shopkeeper incurs loss, that means 8,550 means 5%, that means loss. So CP is equals to 100 by 100 minus loss percent into SP. Now we should substitute these values, where CP is equals to, that means A, 7,500, no? So 100 by 100 plus 20% is gain. So 20 into 7,500. SP, selling price, 7,500. If we calculate, we'll get 6,250. Now CP is equals to 100 by 100 minus loss into SP. That means 100 by 100 minus loss is 5%. For SP is 8,550. If we calculate, we'll get 900. Now we want to find total CP. So we want to add these two, where A and B. 6,250 plus 9,000 is equals to 1,05,250, where total CP is. Now we found CP, so now we want to find SP. SP is equals to 7,500 plus 8,550. 8,550. If we add, we'll get this. Now where profit is equals to, this is greater when compared to this, so SP is greater than CP. Now gain is equals to SP minus CP, where SP is minus 1,05,250. If we calculate, we'll get 800. Now finally we want to find the gain. Gain is equals to gain by CP into 100, where gain is 800. 800 by CP is 1,05,250 into 100. If we calculate, we'll get 5.24%. So total gain is 5.24%. Okay friends, I hope everyone understand this profit and loss problems. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.